Now this theme of four chords was used for the what I would call the A part. I have another part that follows that, which would be like an A prime. It's slightly different. And then the B section. The B section is like a piece unto itself, and it it gives you a refreshing break from the theme, so that when you go back to the theme will once again sound interesting. I was inspired for the B section by a composition from Beethoven, namely his Septet Opus 20, the Tempo Diminuendo, which he composed in 1800. And in that we have this following well-known melody. And so on. Analyzing the chord structure, there's a G major triad with a slash B. That B means that one of those notes in that triad, namely the B, is played in the bass rather than the G. So instead of sounding like this, it sounds like this. Then there's a C minor, followed by a C minor with the G in the bass, followed by a G, then the C minor. Then an F major triad with an A in the bass, then a B flat major triad, and a B flat with an F in the bass, an F, and a B flat. So the chord sequence sounds like this all put together. So I adapted that chord sequence and transposed it to my piece, which was in F sharp minor, so that now the chord sequence was C sharp with a G flat, a G sharp in the bass, followed by an F sharp minor, and so on, which would sound like this. And we'll leave off talking about that E augmented for a moment. To follow the same style of left hand accompaniment, the left hand is the arpeggiated renditions of the notes that are in that chord. Paying attention to use the bass is indicated, so there's a G sharp in the bass, an F sharp in the bass, a C sharp in the bass, an F sharp in the bass, D sharp in the bass, E, B in the bass, E. The melody, it was something improvised to fit over those chords. So the melody is and together it sounds like